Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Citi ThankYou Rewards account password, quick guide step by step clearly. To reset your Citi ThankYou Rewards account password, begin by navigating to the official Citi website. Locate the Sign On button, usually found at the top right of the homepage. Click on the Sign On button. On the Sign In page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. You will be redirected to a password reset page. Enter your username or your 16-digit account number in the provided field. Next, input the last 4 digits of your social security number in the designated box. Click the Continue button to proceed. You will receive instructions on how to reset your password at the email address associated with your account. Check your email inbox for the password reset email. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the provided link. You will be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the first field. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. Your password will now be reset, and you can return to the sign-on page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your Citi ThankYou Rewards account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.